eat bread. Yeah, you eat, you buy. You go to the Philippines. Pandesal. You know pandesal in the Philippines? Pandesal. Small buns, small buns. A little bit of buns of bread. You know pandesal in the Philippines? The famous bread. Yeah, pandesal. It's called pandesal. I do not know. Well, wait. Can I see? You see this, the bread. Oh, the bread. Like that. Small buns. Oh. You see na the bread. Yeah, that's pandesal. Pandesal in the Philippines. How much? Oh, you know the price. The one piece is 4 pesos. 4 pesos. One piece. Uh, it's a 30 pieces. No. 50. No. It's a one tray. 30 pieces is 120 pesos. 120, about $2. The money of US. $2. You get a 30 pieces of bread. One tray.